is your host. My name is EJ Silvestre from the marble capital of the Philippines, province of Bukidnon. And I would like to welcome you all to the meet and greet of Miss Katrina Holiday together with Sir Chris Lawrence. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the one of the most awaiting part of this wonderful celebration. Maghiyawan naman tayo muna! Of a Roy the Chicken Bill. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of Max's Rustin Scout Watson Branch, please welcome Miss Katrina. To sit down first. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to sit down? Once again, my dear ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to sit down? Sit down first, my dear ladies and gentlemen, the score 8 of round now. May I request everyone to sit down? Ayan.
Opo na.
Hina naman! Excited na po ba sila sa mangyayari ngayong gabi? You know, ladies and gentlemen, this is my second time na mag-meet ulit at nakatrabaho ko si Miss Katrina Holiday. Parang nakaraang no? Magkasama pa tayo, di ba? Parang nakaraang buwan, magkasama na kami nag-shooting dyan. Ngayon, nandito po ulit siya at syempre, alam ko na sobrang excited na po kayo na makasama si Ma'am Katrina. Ang mga
Ganyan kami kasaya, guys.
hiyawa naman siya! At syempre, nais ko lang po din po hiyawan at bigyan ng masinang palakpakan si Sir Chris Lawrence! Ladies and gentlemen, to keep a wonderful and spectacular celebration with sarap na host moment. Nais ko lang po ipakilala ulit po sa inyo. I would like to acknowledge the presence of this these people na naglaan ng oras for this wonderful night. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for Mama, Donna, and Kim. Donna and Kim. And also, nasa naman po si Ma'am Chloe Cervantes. And also Miss Lara Cervantes. I'd like to acknowledge the president of Miss Kika. Siyempre, hindi rin po mabubuo ang team ka kung wala ang team.
Ano ba expectation pa natin ngayong gabi? Siyempre, maging excited kayo. Magkaroon kayo ng photo opportunity with our guests, Ma'am Pat and Sir Mr. B and Miss B. So, meron pa tayong games. Meron din tayong question and answers. So, meron pa tayong ano pa aabangan. So, mamaya sa kanila magagaling yun. So, stay put muna tayo. Relax tayo kasi marami pa po tayo aabangan.
Ayan, meron mo kami ihanda ang ating Cadence Global, isang jingle. Ayan, sabay-sabay po tayong awitin yung ating jingle.